After almost 30 years, we are heading back to Bengaluru. Back then, we knew it as Bangalore, a city filled with memories, friendships, and special moments. Today, it is Bengaluru, a vibrant city that has grown and changed so much. As we fly in, nostalgia is kicking in. So many memories from 3 decades ago are coming rushing back. And this trip is extra special because we are here to celebrate our dear friend's daughter's wedding. A journey back in time, old memories, familiar places, and a beautiful wedding celebration. We can't wait to experience it all. Bengaluru, after 30 years, here we come.
वही आंध्र बॉर्डर होता है।
तो यहाँ से तेलंगाना से आंध्र अनंतपुर स्टार्ट। ओके।
इधर से वही है 60-70
Because
किलोमीटर।
Hyderabad is what? It's what, 1,000 kilometers from here, right?
नहीं,
नहीं 500।
500 only.
यहाँ से हैदराबाद 500 किलोमीटर है बस। तो अनंतपुर यहाँ से
But the road is
200
good.
किलोमीटर।
अनंतपुर ओनली 200। वाओ।
Road is nice. Dual carriage. Like this.
बेंगलुरु से नंदी हिल्स तक का रास्ता लगभग 45 मिनट का था, लेकिन सच कहूं तो ये 45 मिनट कब बीत गए पता ही नहीं चला। रास्ते भर हमारे ड्राइवर जी ने हमें बेंगलुरु और आसपास के इलाकों के बारे में कई रोचक जानकारियां दी। उन्होंने शहर के इतिहास, यहाँ की संस्कृति, लोगों की जीवन शैली और बेंगलुरु के बदलते स्वरूप के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताया। मुझे हमेशा से नई भाषाएं और नई संस्कृतियां जानने में रुचि रही है, इसलिए मैं उनकी हर बात बड़े ध्यान से सुन रही थी, खासकर जब वे तेलुगु भाषा के कुछ शब्द और उनके अर्थ बताते तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता। वैसे मुझे तेलुगु भाषा अच्छी तरह बोलनी भी आती है, इसलिए रास्ते भर ड्राइवर जी और मेरे बीच छोटी छोटी बातचीत होती रही, जिसे आप बीच बीच में सुन भी सकते हैं। इस दौरान मैंने न केवल यात्रा का आनंद लिया, बल्कि भाषा और संस्कृति के बारे में भी बहुत कुछ सीखा। सच कहूं तो इस पूरी बातचीत और तेलुगु भाषा का मैंने भरपूर आनंद उठाया। वहीं मेरे पति वेंकी की स्थिति थोड़ी अलग थी। भाषा की जानकारी न होने के कारण वे बातचीत से पूरी तरह जुड़ नहीं पा रहे थे। कई बार वे हमारी बातें सुनकर मुस्कुरा देते और बाद में मुझसे पूछते कि आखिर इतनी दिलचस्प बात क्या हो रही थी। रास्ते में बेंगलुरु का एक अलग ही रूप देखने को मिला। ऊंची ऊंची इमारतों के बीच हरियाली, चौड़ी सड़कें और व्यवस्थित ट्रैफिक देखकर मन खुश हो गया। लगभग 3 दशक बाद इस शहर को फिर से देखना अपने आप में एक भावुक अनुभव था।
ఇది కొండకు పోయేది అంటే నంది హిల్స్ అంటే పైకి పోతాం కదా ఆ రాస్తాం
అవునా, ఇప్పుడు పైకి పోవట్లేదా మనం?
లేదు పైకి
మరి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాం?
అరే మీ లొకేషన్ వేసినారు కదా అక్కడికి।
सफर के दौरान खिड़की से बाहर देखते हुए पुरानी यादें भी ताजा होती रही। जीवन में कुछ जगहें ऐसी होती है जिनसे हमारा एक भावनात्मक रिश्ता जुड़ जाता है और बेंगलुरु मेरे लिए उन्हीं शहरों में से एक है। मुझे लगता है कि किसी भी यात्रा को खास बनाने में सिर्फ मंजिल नहीं, बल्कि रास्ते में मिलने वाले लोग और उनकी कहानियां भी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं। हमारे ड्राइवर जी ने हमें अनुभव और जानकारी साझा करके इस छोटे से सफर को और भी यादगार बना दिया। देखते ही देखते हम नंदी हिल्स पहुंच गए। Our wedding celebrations continued as we arrived at the beautiful Nandi Hills, venue for the haldi ceremony. The atmosphere was vibrant, colorful, and filled with excitement from the moment we entered. The highlights of the day was meeting our dear friends from Singapore, It was wonderful to catch up, share stories, and enjoy the celebrations together after such a long time. The venue was buzzing with energy. DJ kept everyone entertained with lively music, and soon the dance floor became the center of attraction. Family members and friends joined in, dancing with full enthusiasm and creating unforgettable memories. Soon, the much awaited arrival of the bride and groom added even more excitement to the event. Everyone welcomed them with cheers, smiles, and lots of love. A special moment for me was dancing with the bride's mother. We laughed, danced, and truly enjoyed every moment together. It made the celebration even more meaningful and memorable. The MC had thoughtfully organized several games for everyone. These activities brought lots of laughter, friendly competition, and great interaction among guests. It was wonderful to see people of all ages participating and enjoying themselves.
Yes, man. 3, 2, 1, start. 2, 3, 4.
One of the proudest moments for me was when my husband Venki took part in a push-up challenge against a young participant who was about one-third of his age. To everyone's surprise and delight, he won the challenge.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
The crowd erupted into loud applause and cheers. His determination and sporting spirit truly impressed everyone.
34, 35, 36, 37. You have more stamina than us. Well, can we have a good round of applause for Nikita? So your friend groom team?
Yes, no.
Bride, okay, Team Bride wins once again. Team Bride!
Then came the traditional haldi ceremony. Family and friends lovingly applied haldi to the bride and groom, showering them with blessings, happiness, and good wishes for their new journey together. गुरु की शाम जैसे जैसे ढलती गई, पूरा माहौल संगीत और रोशनी से जगमगा उठा। सगाई की रात का जश्न अब अपने पूरे रंग में था। पूरा वेन्यू खूबसूरत लाइट्स, म्यूजिक और उत्साह से भर गया था। डीजे ने जैसे ही जोशीले म्यूजिक बजाया, कुछ ही पलों में डांस फ्लोर जीवंत हो उठा। परिवार और दोस्तों को किसी ने बुलाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। एक एक करके सभी ने डांस फ्लोर संभाल लिया। सिंगापुर से आए हमारे खास दोस्तों के शामिल होने से यह शाम और भी खास बन गई। यह सिर्फ एक पार्टी नहीं रही, बल्कि एक खूबसूरत रियूनियन बन गई, जिसमें गले मिलने, हंसी और पुरानी यादों की गर्माहट थी। सगाई की यह रात संगीत, भावनाओं और साथपन का खूबसूरत संगम बन गई, जो लंबे समय तक याद रहेगी। The next morning began with a completely different feeling. It was finally the most special and auspicious day of the celebrations, the wedding day. As we arrived the venue, everything reflected the beauty of a traditional South Indian wedding. Fresh flowers, elegant decor, banana leaves, and the simplicity of the setting created a warm and sacred atmosphere. One of the first things we noticed was the beautiful sound of the Nadaswaram. Their soulful music filled the air, making the entire venue feel peaceful, divine, and truly festive. It was the perfect way to begin such a meaningful ceremony. What I love most about a South Indian wedding is its simplicity and the deep meaning behind every ritual. Every tradition is performed with devotion, respect, and a strong connection to family and culture. The bride looked absolutely stunning in a beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree, adorned with traditional gold jewelry and fragrant jasmine flowers in her hair.
నీది పమిడి పల్లె
ఆ తర్వాత మారుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు పెళ్ళి అయింది కనుక ఇప్పుడు మారుతుంది.
పెళ్ళైన తర్వాత ఏంటి?
వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయి వాళ్ళ గోత్రం వస్తుంది.
Groom looked elegant in his traditional outfit. After the wedding ceremony, a delicious lunch was served in traditional pattals, adding an authentic cultural touch to the celebration. The meal featured a wonderful variety of South Indian delicacies, and every dish was full of flavor. A special mention goes to Nivesh, who was in charge of the food and beverage arrangements. He did an absolutely fantastic job. Everything was exceptionally well organized, from the quality and variety of the food to the smooth service throughout the event. Every guest was well looked after, and it was clear how much effort had gone into making the dining experience memorable. Great food and flawless hospitality truly made the celebration even more enjoyable. Kudos to Nivesh for a job brilliantly done. तन्मय फूड की जय हो సూపర్ ఫుడ్ సూపర్ లంచ్ మీల్ ఇలాంటి ఫుడ్ మాకు ఎక్కడ సింగపూర్లో దొరకదు సూపర్స్ ఐ లవ్ సాంబార్ రైస్ దిస్ బూర్లో ఆల్సో ఐ లవ్ ఇట్ దో ఐ డోంట్ ఈట్ స్వీట్స్ బట్ ఐ లవ్ ఇట్
Thanks everyone. Yes. Yeah.
మాకు చాలా నచ్చింది. With hearts full of beautiful memories, it was finally time to head back to the airport. As we drove away from Nandi Hills and Bangalore, we couldn't help but reflect on the incredible few days we had just experienced. From revisiting a city after nearly 30 years, reconnecting with dear friends, celebrating a beautiful South Indian wedding, and immersing ourselves in the local culture, every moment had been truly special. Some trips give you wonderful photographs, while others leave you with unforgettable memories. This journey gave us both. Until next time, Bangalore, thank you for welcoming us back with open arms. We will cherish these memories for years to come. Goodbye for now and see you again soon.